Well now, alright everybody, welcome back to the channel again. Good morning. We're going to be bucking up some oak wood today. It's a pretty good sized chunk of oak, but it's kind of on the other side of my wood pile here, and it's kind of blocking my way. So I want to go ahead and buck it up, get it ready to be split, and kind of move it out of the way a little bit. Now hopefully the tree service doesn't come through with the bulldozer and smash it all up and everything, but before we get going too much, I need to sharpen this chain real quick. So I'm going to go over this chain and then we're going to buck some wood. So stay tuned, and while I'm sharpening the chain, you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like the video, whatever, share it with whoever you'd like. So let me get on it and we'll be right with you bucking some wood. All right, now everybody, I got my chain sharpened up. Let's move around the corner here and try to buck up this oak wood. Now my rakers were pretty aggressive the last time. I'm going to try to leave them alone and just do a little bucking. If it's not cutting good, I may just head for the house and deal with the rakers later. It's getting pretty hot out here. It's real humid, hot. I've been out here for a while already, so let me just see if I can't buck a few pieces of this wood, see how it goes. And y'all just sit back and enjoy the show. Now, I did weed whack my wood yard earlier this year, and it's already coming back up. We've had a lot of rain, so I might have to do it again. It's just a pain in the butt out here. There's ticks everywhere. The weeds are up over your knees. They did come in and, quote, clean it up a little bit, but it is just big piles of junk everywhere. There is some space to dump some more wood, but there's a lot more cleaning up that needs to be done out here. So anyways, let's move around the corner here, and I'm going to buck some wood. Here we go. YouTube land. That's going to be about the video for today. Just wanted to get some wood bucked up so it's ready for me to split the next time I'm here. It's very humid out here today. I'm sweating like crazy. We've had a lot of rain. All that moisture is just kind of hanging around. It's just overcast. Going to be 92 degrees or something later today, so it's starting to heat up now. I was going to buck up this other oak over here too, but I need to work on the rakers on my saw and give it a nice sharpen before I get into this bigger wood. So I'll show you that wood, and then we're going to go ahead and sign off for today. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you guys next time.